Okay, I'm one of the parents umntwana olimele la eDiepkloof. Umntwana ngifande out ngabo 1 afternoon yesterday ukuthi umntwana olimele, because I was a bit concerned as one of the parents. So only to find out nawami umntwana olimele. Umntwana olimele isandla, bamshaye ipalm of the hand nomuno lo wesibili. So the boy said the story fikile laphana what enjoy umnandi lo baba enjoy la. Then these guys AMs they started ke phuma namaphanga bakapha wonke umuntu. Then bona bebangaphithanga anything ukuthi bazivikele. So intombazane limele, he doesn't know intombazane ukuthi kunentombazane limele, naye uzwe nje ukuthi there's a rumor kunentombazane limele, but what he knows ukuthi kunabantu abalimele. So the boys laba babonakele banekhethi yiyo le gangster leyo. Apparently the gangster is from Prabhusha and Sol. So yiyo la emaphansula layo. So banamagama wabo bazibiza ngawo. So then ukulimala kwakhe uthi uye wasuka nomngani wakhe. Mabasuka na yonke le crew yabo baya kuyile park yabo abahlala ngakuyo eSonthu. Then he decided to come home, ask his brother, then his brother drove him to Ekosi, then Ekosi aba attender, then bamstitcha nomngani wakhe bamstitchile. So what I would love to say is, parents, let's not allow such things to happen. Indaba yamabheshi mayiphele. Abantwana each and every end year sifela abantwana silibalela abantwana. Ngiyacela ayiphele indaba yamabheshi, ayiphele. Let's ban indaba yamabheshi ngoba just look at what happened at Limpopo. They were throwing amabhodlela kulimala abantu, kube ne white party kwalimala abantu kwi white party. Ayiphele lento, because if there was a security as the planner of that event usho why kulimale abantu. My question is, why ingane zilimele? Why ingane zilimele? And if in a security, let the security bacheke abantwana ukuthi abaphithanga ikhali ezinzima, bangavumela amabhodlela angene, number 1. And I'm failing to understand ukuthi we are nearer the police station, but our police station ayikhiphi amaphoyisa ukuthi bahambe bayo surveilla babheke ukuthi what is happening. And most of everything engikwatisayo iJMPD ayenzanga umsebenzi wayo, ngoba bekufanele nje makubekwa ipikwa everything bathi nje kuyavalwa mabahambe. And mostly futhi engikwatisayo, how can abantu baleya area ba allow a petition ukuthi iyenziwe ukuthi akube naleya bash? And another thing, the councillor, how can naye allow that bash ukuthi le khona as a councillor? Ngiyabonga.
Greetings to all the viewers and Nagini futhi zintatheli. My name is Thabo Ngayo. I'm the president of Abahambe National Civic Movement, and at the same time I'm a community leader, and I'm born and raised here in Diepkloof, next to an area where Guyawavela is SSC publicized. That's where I'm located. So this is what we have experienced a day before yesterday, which was on the day of the 10th. There was an event that was hosted by Abantu Tuoshon, and in the process of that event, we found it is alleged, actually let me say it's alleged, there's people that got injured, and others were marked, imoto zabantu ziphuliwe, and bantwana abancane esibazalayo. There's a death body also that took place on that day. So we hear ukuthi there were gangsters ezibizwa ukuthi amapansula, and they came there in the event pretending as people that coming to the event, but they coming for terrorism. They came there and they brutalized abantu, they terrorized abantu, bathathela amafoni. You know, many people were injured. So it is an unfortunate thing that ekudala sayigcina like Diepkloof. You know, I remember at Diepkloof during the apartheid era, we had gangsters. And we fought against those gangsters as Diepkloof community, especially here. There are no well-known gangsters, Esizaziyo like Diepkloof, which I cannot mention, Gabalawoloma gangsters. And they were defeated. So, into which is Dala, and it's something that we will never allow it to happen, because it's putting the lives of our people in danger, the lives of our kids, our security cluster as well become threatened, because these boys are unruly and they are known in our townships. They're coming from different areas such as Orlando, Bramfisher, Orange Farm. They group themselves, calling themselves Amapantsula. So we are saying as a community, as a Diepkloof, actually entire Soweto, we must mobilize ourselves and organize ourselves and unite against these thugs, because we cannot accept that. No one has a right to take a life yomuntu. No one has a right to take a belonging or valuable anybody. Angayazi ukuthi uyisebenzele kanjani. So as a Diepkloof community, we will continue with having meetings so that we find ways and means how can we prevent this kind of incident not to happen. And we're going to include the law enforcement as well, which we are appealing to the station commander of Diepkloof and other respective areas concerned about the crime. Our station commander, they must get into party so that the law must take its course. Okay. The importance about the organizers of the event. As community leaders, we advise them that they need to apply for a Section 205 and go seek for a Section 4, where we call it the job, where it includes other law enforcement such as JMPD and police officers, so that it can assist them with security measures. Because each job helps you that after you become successful with your event, they allocate amaphoyisa azokwazi ukuba yini ilihlo during the time of the event. It's more if like you apply for a march, where you see people marching kunamaphoyisa on the side. It's the very same thing that they need to do. And also the liquor board must also be included in terms of licensing, because before you have an event, you actually have an event, it must be licensed by a liquor board. And at that area also it must be looked at the danger and the safety of it, if it's applicable to host an event. So that is the most critical thing and important to all organizers of the event. They must follow the law and the processes due for their event to be safe.
We understand that only one child or one person died. Do we know how many were injured?
It is alleged that from what I heard, one died and there were other 5 abalimele. That is alleged to me. But also there's more information that baningi abantu abalimele. The only 5 or 4 leyo abayimentiona yile ebonwe ngamehlo, but kunalaba abangazange bavele during the course because they ran away. You know, some other witnesses are saying babona omunye uhletshulwe nendlebe, omunye ukhishwe ilihlo. There's a lot of allegations that are coming in, which some of them I cannot testify and say it's true because I'm a hearsay. But the proper message that I know is that 4 to 5 balimele, abanye basesibhedlele, oyedwa ushonile.